Most of us who are wondering how individuals without work, they are always on their smartphone, seated at home, cruising nice cars, moving around. Their presence on internet is 100 over 100, meaning they are always there 24/7, maybe the time they are sleeping. And we see them cruising nice cars. We wonder exactly where do they get money. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to become or how to start to become that one person that you know that you've been asking yourself, where do they exactly get money? We're going to see how can one person get at least the minimum $10 per day. When we're talking about $10 per day, I want you to rush and see your dashboard of Facebook, see your dashboard of YouTube. So we're going to experiment with only two platforms, Facebook and YouTube. Meaning, I want you to get $7 on YouTube and get $3 on Facebook on a daily basis. I'm putting $3 on Facebook and $7 on YouTube for beginners because you have a capacity. You have capacity to earn $10 with one type of content across these two platforms. We have not talked about Instagram and TikTok, but you can put it there. That one will be a surplus. So if you're getting $7 plus $3, that means it's $10. So $10 in 30 days, that means $300. $300 for a person from Uganda, that is a monthly salary for a teacher, a secondary teacher. One secondary teacher somewhere out there. And now here, you'll be doing it at the comfort of your home. You're not investing anything. You are doing other things if you want, like me. But why did I tell you $3 for Facebook? Because Facebook has its own way, its own method, the way it pays its views, and YouTube has its own way it pays for its views and engagement and other things. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. You guys, I'm here to show you how exactly you can be at the comfort of your home and earn $300 in a month with your Facebook and YouTube. Are you in a country that is monetized of these two platforms? Yes, I guess most of you that are watching me, you should be in those countries. If you're not in those countries, put it in the comment section. But before I dive in and show you how you can earn money in these two platforms, $10 per day in these two platforms, I would love to appreciate all our new subscribers. This is a platform that we bring for you tips of what is working for us and what is working for the few people out there that are not telling you. Also, what is working for the majority of people that you're seeing cruising nice cars. They are at comfort of their homes. They are not answerable to any boss. There are some people that you know. Then to my great top engagers, I love you so much. Immaculate Show team, thank you very much, because I would not do this if you're not there. But thank you for making me come every day. This is a disclaimer, guys. This video is for educational purposes. I'm bringing for you 10%. The 90% is yours. The question here is, how do I really get $10? At your workplace, do you get $10 per day? If you get $10, put it in the comment section. And if you don't get $10, relax. Be like me. I no longer fight for salary increment. I no longer fight for being known. By that, I'm no longer a hot, should I call it a silent dog, barking dog, or silent and barking dog for employees, for bosses. No, because I know that my smartphone can give me what I want. So let's dive in, you guys. What you need to do, I want you to have two requirements: your smartphone, two, your idea. Which kind of idea do you have? On this channel, we always tell you about the ideas. We have different ideas, and every person that is there has an idea. That idea that you have is unique, whether somebody is doing it or not doing it, because no one has is doing something that is or is that wow, no, is not there. What you have, someone else is thinking about it, another person thought about it. Those are the two things you need to have. Then after having these two things, you need to go ahead and open up a Facebook and a YouTube channel. Why should you open up these two channels? These are the channels, or these are the platforms that I've dealt with for now 4 years. I have damn good experience with them, and I know how they pay. I know where they go right, and I know where they go wrong. However, I still learn on a daily basis. So whenever I'm telling you that these two platforms pay you very well, and they pay you for your idea, they pay you for your presence, I mean it. There is no shortcut. And I decided to make these videos as simple, as low, as ordinary as anything, that even the person who doesn't know English should be at least able to understand. If you don't know English, you cannot. If you can't hear English very well, you can go to YouTube and translate, because there's a provision for translating in your language. So you are covered. Whatever I'm speaking in English can be turned into your language. So the moment you open your channels, if you didn't have them, but majority of you, I understand you have them, but you don't know how to use them. Now, this is a simple way for you to use your, these channels of yours. Get that idea of yours. For example, if you have an idea of cooking, you are a love of cooking. You're like, Christine, I know how to cook, or I love to cook, or I'm a cook. You might be a lover, you might be knowing, or you might be a cook. When we're talking about a cook, I'm not saying even a professional chef. If you're a professional chef, you have a plus. Then you organize your channel in this way. Facebook, YouTube. You are going to post what you're cooking in different ways on your channels. You can post what you have bought to cook. That is a different video. Then you can post why did you buy what you bought. That is a different video. Then you can also post a video or a post or a text or a blog on how do you process your food, as in how do you cook your food and the last ingredients. They are like 5 videos out of one thing on daily basis. On a daily basis we eat. On a daily basis, now I'm using a very common thing that every person goes to the kitchen on a daily basis. If you don't go to kitchen, someone goes there for you. If you don't, someone doesn't go there for you, you buy, even if you're buying food. This is the simple thing you can do for yourself. So the moment you post it on Facebook, you can post it on YouTube. You might tell me that, Christine, I'm not ready to go in the video, in a camera. Hold on. Don't mind. If you cannot go in the camera, just use your photos for food and put a voiceover. How do you put a voiceover? You put a voiceover by going to one of the apps that you want to use for editing. Where are these apps for editing found? We have CapCut, we have InShot, we have InVideo, we have VN, we have Canva. Very many. You can use as many as you can. They are there. If you want to know all these editing apps, just go to your Google, type there. They will give you a list of them. You don't know how to edit, please, everything is now on Google. Go there and say, how can I edit my video of Facebook? Now, this is, you people, this is something that you need to notice. Facebook, before, it was using only a certain portrait videos, but now you can use portrait and you can use landscape. They are all acceptable. Then when you go to YouTube, if they are not shorts, you use landscape. That's when it is going to be favorable for either phones, all types of phones, and all types of even all cameras, and even the TVs, televisions. So now, how do you earn from this one? If you know you're a new beginner, to earn from Facebook and YouTube, there is a threshold. There is a minimum requirements for you to start earning. But for you to start earning, you have to start today. 1, your followers are on Facebook. Subscribers are on YouTube. Watch hours are on YouTube. Then you need also watch watch minutes on Facebook. From there, you have to be active, and it has also a duration of time. The moment you're doing something, you're ready, then you start working for the $10 as a beginner. After $10, you are ready to go to even $1.